Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can set your phone so you can watch Netflix without using the data. So first thing first, I'll be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one, and if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, just log in with your account. You can use your Netflix app. I'm using my Netflix app on my Android device. So then what you need to do is you need to download that particular show or that particular series that you want to watch offline, or let's say when you are not using your data. So I have, like, let's say downloaded one, and then how you do is you can turn off your Wi-Fi, turn off your data, and then just go to your My Netflix option, and over here you'll be having a download option. The one you have downloaded will all be over here, and then from here just go tap, and then you can enjoy your Netflix without using your data or the Wi-Fi. So that's pretty much, guys. That's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.